Okay, my family, let us see the answer for the questions we have for the previous class. Okay, and the first question is that from the Amharic alphabets, which of the alphabets can be used interchangeably? Okay, and the answer is that 5 of the Amharic alphabets can be used interchangeably. Okay, and these are Ha and Ha. The first one is Ha and Ha, and this one is Haleta Ha, whereas this one is Hamar Ha. But both of them are what? Ha. Both of them are Ha. Therefore, Ha can be used interchangeably with Ha. Okay, so this one is Haleta Ha and this one is Hamar Ha, but both of them are Ha, and they can be used interchangeably. Okay, the second Amharic alphabet that can be used interchangeably is Sa and Sa. Okay, Sa and Sa. Both of them are Sa. This one is what? Satu Sa or Shukau Sa, whereas this one is Nugusu Sa. But both of them are Sa and they can be used interchangeably. When we write a word or a sentence or a paragraph in Amharic language, we can use them, okay, interchangeably. Sa and Sa. The third alphabets that can be used interchangeably are A and A. Both of them can be used interchangeably. Okay, both of them are A and A. And the fourth alphabets that can be used interchangeably in Amharic alphabets are Sa and Sa. Okay, both of them are Sa. Sa and Sa. So they can be used interchangeably. And the last Amharic alphabets that can be used in Amharic alphabets interchangeably are Ha and Ha. Okay, both of them are Ha and Ha, and they can be used interchangeably. So from the Amharic alphabets, 5 alphabets can be used interchangeably. Okay, Ha and Ha, Sa and Sa, A and A, Sa and Sa, and Ha and Ha. Okay, the first answer for the question number 1 is this. And the second question is how many basic Amharic alphabets are there in Amharic language? So we have said that there are what? 34 basic Amharic alphabets in Amharic language. Okay, they are what? 34. Okay, the basic ones are 34. So there are 34 basic Amharic alphabets in Amharic language. Okay, the third question is that write the 34 basic Amharic alphabets in their what? Sequence. In their sequence from number 1 to number 34. Okay, they have sequence like in English. There are 26 English alphabets, and the first English alphabet is A, and the last one is Z. So there is sequence, okay, from A to Z. Similarly, in Amharic, there is sequence, and the number of basic Amharic alphabets are 34. So the question is, write the 34 basic Amharic alphabets in their sequence from number 1 to number 34. Okay, so in Amharic, we have said that there are 34 basic Amharic alphabets in Amharic language, and the first Amharic alphabet is what? Ha. Ha. Number 1 is Ha. Haleta Ha. Okay. Number 2 is La. Number 2 Amharic alphabet is in Amharic language is La. Number 3 is Ha. Hamaruha. Which are Hamaruha? Ha, La, Hamaruha. Then the fourth one is Ma. The fifth one is Sa. Sa to Sa. The sixth one is Ra. The seventh one is Sa. Lugusu Sa. The eighth one is Sha. The ninth one is Ka. Number 10 is Ba. The 11th one is Ta. Number 12 is Cha. Number 13 is Ha. Number 14 is Na. Number 15 is Nya. Number 16 is A. Then number 17 is Ka. Number 18 is Ha. Number 19 is Va. Number 20 is Wa. Number 21 is A. Number 22 is what? Za. Number 23 is Ja. Number 24 is Ya. Number 25 is Da. Number 26 is what? Ja. Then number 27 is Ga. Number 28 is Ta. Number 29 is Cha. Number 30 is Pa. Number 31 is Sa. Then number 32 is Sa. Number 33 is Fa. And the last Amharic alphabet is Pa. Okay, Pa. So this is the basic sequence of the basic Amharic alphabets, starting from Ha ends to Pa, okay? This is the sequence. Okay, the first question is, write the 18 special Amharic alphabets. We have said that there are 18 special Amharic alphabets, and these special Amharic alphabets are Loa, okay? 1, Loa, 2, Shwa, 3, Chwa, 4, Zwa, 5, Jwa, 6, Dwa, 7, Jwa, 8, Moi, 9, Shwa, 10, Moi, 11, Nywa, 12, Twa, 13, Chwa, 14, Chwa, 15, Shwa, 16, Rwa, 17, Twa, and 18, Fwa, okay? These are the 18 special Amharic alphabets, and in order to differentiate them from the 18 Amharic alphabets, 17 of them have what? They have a horizontal line on their leg, okay? Horizontal line, horizontal line, horizontal line, horizontal line, here, here, here. From the 18, 17 of them have what? A horizontal line on their leg. Except one, the one Rwa has what? A horizontal line on its head, okay? Let's see. The last question is, how many Amharic alphabets are there in Amharic language in total? Okay? In total, how many Amharic alphabets are there in Amharic language in total? We have said that there are 34 basic Amharic alphabets, and under each 34 Amharic alphabets, there are 6 subgroups, which means including the main Amharic alphabets, including its subgroup, there will be 7, okay? So each of them will have 7, including them. So 34 times 7, it will be 238 Amharic alphabets. Also, there are 18 special Amharic alphabets. So in total, there are 256 Amharic alphabets in total in Amharic language, okay? Okay, we'll see the next one.